You know what? Watch this video.
Hato pinon ban ong hakmat jong tao blay bo pisakri ban ong bagatu ka penpau bala promote hapo ka to garansan kani ko ba lada bilang don ye ka jabin ye ka jengit teblam kolong ko ba imagine hakato ka cherry blossom don ki kena ki badang hapo khatsan snem khat saus snem ki leche ka cherry blossom kini ka to kom shot gitu ginong shot kan taste saus sangut ko to norway ka to ka sexual prostitution spirit hapo ka ba ka display kan pen bhai ka jala ka jongi iki samla ka jongi nagai ka promote.
When you expose a child to promiscuity, you're not being liberal or open-minded. You are committing the moral violation of the highest order. It's an abuse, full stop. You're dragging the child on from soul into the realms of adult chaos, where desire is unbounded, where meanings collapse into impulses, where the sacred is marked by the trivial. A child cannot metabolize that kind of disorder. It scares them. It fractures their capacity for trust, for purity, for order, maturity. And let me be brutally honest. Any society that tolerates this kind of rotting from within corrupts the child. And it's not a slip. It's a calculated betrayal. It's a kind of sin that calls a culture into account. So disappointed.